Hey, it's Design Guy here. Ready to add a cool page flip animation to your Canva design? Let's dive in. Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 150 by 150 for the dimensions. After setting the size, click Create New Design to start your project with the specific canvas dimensions you entered. Next, click on the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Forest and press Enter. Browse the results, then select a forest image. We'll use this forest background for our design in the next steps. Right-click on the image you want to use and select Set Image as Background from the menu. This will automatically place the image as the background of your workspace. Next, navigate to the mockup section in your design tool. Browse through the available mockup templates and choose the one that best fits your needs. Click on the desired mockup to apply it to your current project and continue customizing your design. Click on the Try This button to begin the exercise. Carefully read the instructions displayed on the screen. Once you understand the task, enter your response into the provided field. When you're finished, click the Submit button. Review the feedback given and, if needed, make any corrections before continuing to the next step. Place the item here in the workspace. Next, locate the search bar at the top. Type Image into the search field and press Enter. Browse through the available images, then select the one you want to use for your project. Click on this item to select it, then use the options in the menu to perform actions such as editing, sharing, or deleting as needed. Place it here by dragging and dropping it. Next, go to the Elements tab to access additional design resources and tools. This time, look for the Tri-Edge option in the menu and select it. Select this option, then choose the next one, followed by the third, and finally the fourth. Each item needs to be selected in sequence. Make sure you click one at a time, moving from the first to the last. This process ensures that all necessary options are included. Carefully verify that each selection is highlighted before continuing to the next step, confirming accurate completion of the task. Click the app icon to launch the software. Once the dashboard loads, locate the main navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Select Projects to view your current project. To create a new project, click the New Project button in the upper right corner. Enter the project name in the field provided, and add a brief description if needed. Choose a start date and select team members to assign. When finished, click Create to add the project to your list. To view project details, click on the project name. Use the tabs across the top to access the overview, tasks, and files. For adding tasks, go to the Task tab and click Add Task. Fill in the task details, set due dates, and assign team members. Click Save to confirm. Rep, please provide the rough transcription you'd like me to rewrite. You've just learned to create a page turn effect in Canva. Like this tip? Hit that like button and subscribe for more creative tricks.